Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to, just kidding. Okay, if you chose to do the at-home lab, which I hope all of you do, because you're supposed to, you have dug something up from the back, okay, from the soil, from the back, from your backyard, and you brought it in on a plate, okay? Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna pull up on the thing where it says the flow chart, the soil flow chart. Okay, and you're gonna start where it says start, and it says place a heaping tablespoon of soil on the palm. That's a heaping tablespoon. It's probably more than that, okay? Add water drop at a time and knead the soil to break down all the aggregates. So that just means making sure it turns into one ball, okay? Soil is proper consistency when it's moldable. So when it can do this, you do not need to add any more water, okay? If you do add too much water, it says to add soil. And you can read the flow chart. It makes a lot of sense, okay? So if your soil can mold into a ball, you're gonna move on to the next. It says, does the soil remain in a ball when squeezed? Yes. We move down one. Place a ball of soil between the thumb and forefinger. Get it on this, okay? The thumb and forefinger. Forefinger's your pointer finger, okay? And gently push it with the thumb, squeezing it upward into a ribbon. Okay, this is the ribbon. It looks like a turd, okay? Form a ribbon in uniform thickness and width. Allow the ribbon to emerge and extend over the forefinger, which it has, okay? And then what you're gonna do, make sure it doesn't break. Oh, no, sorry, it says breaking from its own weight. Okay, ready? Okay, it pooed. So here is my ribbon. Now I'm gonna look. It says, does the soil form a ribbon? Yes. Does the soil make a weak ribbon less than 1 inch long? No, that's longer than 1 inch. Does the soil make a ribbon medium, 1 to 2 inches? Yes. Okay. Now it says to excessively wet a small pinch of soil in the palm and rub it with the forefinger. Okay. So here's a small pinch. Put in my hand. Oh yeah, you're gonna get dirty with this, by the way. I have some water, and now you are literally just gonna rub the soil until you feel what it the texture and consistency of it. Okay, it asks, does the soil feel very gritty? Yes, then it's sandy loam. Does the soil feel very gritty? If it doesn't, then you move on. Okay, mine feels a little bit gritty, but it's also a little bit smooth, and that's here on the flow chart as well. So technically, this is a silty clay. All right, so your soil from your backyard, what you're gonna do, get a sample of it, do what I just did following the soil ribbon flow chart, okay? Give me a high five. No.